DI. IOC means inversion of control and DI means dependency of injection. How they perform their action on spring we are going to see today about it. We can say that inversion of control is a principle of software engineering which transfers the control of object or a product of a program to a container or a framework. We must often use it to the context of the object-oriented programming language. It consists of traditional programming in which our customer code makes calling to the library. IOC enables a framework to the controller to take the control of the flow of the program and make the call to out the customer code to enable this. The framework use abstraction and addition behavior built in. If you want to add some of your own behavior, we can do it, extend the class and the framework will plug in to its own class. The advantages of this architecture, we can say that decomposing the execution of the task from the implementation, making it easy and switching between the different implementation in it, greater mobility of the program and great easy to testing a program by a isolation component or making it a dependence and allowing two components to communicate through the context. While in dependency injection, we can say it is a pattern we can use to implement IOC where the control begins invasion in the setting of the object dependency, connection object with the other object or injection object of the object themselves. Inside it works like when we apply, for example, we are taking an object and containing it to pass the value. We create this function that can call directly to the thread which is implemented and show to the customer when in the front end that how it displays and works to it. However, we would create an object depending in the addition of the program. For example, we can say that when we create a class, we can create multiple methods. When we call an item object in it, it stores in a value and create an object of it and